Hello! This is a brief video to walk you through how to access feedback from your instructors in Canvas. So let's get started. Let's begin with why feedback is important. In college, it is important for you to read feedback from your instructors. This will help you to better assess your learning. It helps you grow in your discipline, and it helps you turn mistakes into learning moments. It also helps you refine your thinking to become a better critical thinker and self-directed learner. So to access your feedback, you're going to want to log into Canvas and then click on the course in your Canvas dashboard. Click on Grades and locate the comment icon. Double-click the icon. You will receive a drop-down with any comments that your instructor has included as feedback on the assignment. Sometimes your instructor will leave more detailed feedback. To locate this, it's important to click on the assignment. Here in this new window, you'll see your submission details, and you can click to view your feedback. You can also respond to your instructor's feedback in this window. Your feedback might appear like this. You might need to expand the preview screen to see all the feedback. Or you might see that your instructor has provided video feedback or even a file for you to review. Here's a tip. You can also add a comment, a media comment, or attach a file in response to your instructor here. You can also see a copy of the submission comments in your Canvas inbox. Some instructors might also use rubrics to assess your learning. This is another way for instructors to provide you with feedback. You can see the rubric before submitting your assignment at the bottom of the page. Once your assignment has been graded, you can see your rubric score by clicking on Grades, and you'll see the rubric icon located next to the assignment and the feedback. Double-click the icon to get a drop-down with your rubric score. You can also see the rubric by clicking on the assignment and then on Show Rubric. You will then see the rubric. Here's an overview of feedback. There are many ways that your instructor can provide feedback on Canvas. You might receive a written comment or a video comment. You might receive a file. You might receive a graded rubric. In order to make the most out of your learning, make sure to always check your assignments for feedback from your instructor.